Oh, das ist aber so schnell gegangen. Hey. Hm. Was Reset? Oh, ja, der Quicksave-Taste müsste ich vielleicht noch irgendwo noch schnell anschauen. Mhm. Mhm.
Of course,
Ja, super.
when armies pass, necrophages follow. Let's go before any more show up.
Ja, vielleicht muss ich die Difficulty gleich noch abstellen um eine Stufe, weil irgendwie, weil ich das ganze Game noch nicht kenne, lohnt sich gerade irgendwie. Story and Sword. Ja, probier das mal so. Also, lohnt sich irgendwie nur mal zuerst ein bisschen gemütlich anzufangen.
Because
Und
you
wissen
can
wir.
brew potions from their blood.
No, because by eating rotting corpses, they prevent epidemics.
Did he know they eat the living as well?
No, really upset him too. His theory collapsed.
Ja, nicht Dismount. Also, galoppieren wir doch mal ein bisschen. Ah, da
War
ist
is
das
exactly
Stamina von
going our way.
We have a side.
The northern
Racely.
realms.
Radovid's realms, don't you mean? Temeria and Edirn are no more.
Radovid's pledged to restore the old borders as soon as he wins the war.
Believe that?
Gotta believe something. It's what keeps us going.
So ist jetzt. Aha.
We going? Help me! Help!
Was ist das? Ist irgendein Greif oder was ist das? In dem Fall etwas, was ich noch niemals bekämpfen. Ja.
Has it gone?
Yeah. Come out.
Das darf ich nicht schnell erzählen.
Gods, that was close. I was sure I'd end up like my mare.
Provided you got lucky.
Your horse died quickly, but griffins like to toy with their prey.
Ah,
Eat
grief,
it,
ja.
alive, piece by piece.
Oh. You'd like a reward, I suppose.
Ja, sicher nicht, hallo.
You don't owe us anything. You were in need. We helped.
And they call witches heartless. Say they won't lift a finger without pay.
They also say mice are born of rotting straw. Back to the trail.
Like I said, leads to the main road and ends there, muddled.
You seek someone?
Yep.
Yes, a woman. Medium height, long black hair. Seen anyone like that?
No. But there's an inn here in White Orchard. Sole one around. Gets its share of travelers. Perhaps you'll learn something there.
Mhm.
Besides, the innkeep's my cousin. Tell her Bram sent you. She'll treat you like family.
Not a bad idea. Especially since that wound needs cleaning.
Ah, beast barely grazed me.
Ja gut,
But
musst du
sure,
lieber aufpassen.
could use a good rye. Nice and cool, you know, straight from a cellar.
Let's go.
Let it go. Oh, und unsere Restlichen ist schon wieder da. Backspace, okay. Ergreifen Vogel. Also.
Go, go.
Let's go, my friends.
So, a griffin this close to the village? Strange.
My thoughts exactly. In the forest or the mountains, sure, but here? Near the main road.
Maybe it's the war. Corpses everywhere, the stench of blood, burnt flesh. Drives monsters crazy sometimes.
Okay, da kann ich Aufträge aufsammeln.
Men
Oh,
too.
hi.
We need to watch ourselves in White Orchard. And we should leave as soon as we learn anything.
Komm da, geh rein.
Slow now. Whoa.
Hey, wow, schaust, hä?
What?
Take that down before there's trouble.
That is a coat of arms, the Temerian lilies. They've a right to hang there.
This ain't Temeria no more, old man. It's Nilfgaard now.
Keine Ahnung.
My arse it is.
What? Witches? I'll not drink with Weaverlaw's freaks.
Also die Witches sind gar kein guter Ruf in dem Fall.
No need. We're used to it.
Folk are jumpy round here. Armies just passed through. Now a griffin's prowling about.
Already had the pleasure. Ran into your kinsman, Bram.
Bram? How is he?
Alive.
Ja, geht
Sends
nur
his
so, ja.
regards.
Master Witches. Food and drink on the house. What can I get you?
Ja, machen wir zuerst mal das Wichtigste.
Looking for a woman. Raven-haired, violet eyes, dresses in black and white. Riding in from Willoughby. And, strange as it sounds, lilac and gooseberries might have smelled that.
I've not seen nor smelt such a lady. Believe I'd remember.
Yeah. Especially hard to forget this one.
Plenty of travellers about, though. Folk from all over. Might be worth your while to ask after her.
Ja, das werden wir. Ah, okay. Show me what you got. Schauen wir mal, ob es dann
There a
dran
contract on that griffin?
Nay, not at the moment. Used to be. Soon as a beast had built a nest nearby, the alderman would start a collection, or go to the lord for help. Now the alderman don't use the privy without asking the Black One's permission first. And seems they hang the
Ja,
lord.
scheiße, hä?
So no contract.
Shame. We might have done something, but not for free.
Schauen wir mal, was sie hat.
Show me what you got behind the counter.
Okay, also das Übliche, hä? Equipment, was haben wir da schönes? Decoy. Karte, Spielkarte. Oh, da kann man noch zocken mit anderen, hä? Tower of the Spirit. Ja, ich habe etwas zu essen mit, dann kann ich nicht schaden. Viel Geld habe ich? 250? Nein. Dann nicht. Pfefferwodka, nice. Also Paprika-Wodka. Ist gut, passt.
Pretty busy place you got.
Nations on the move. Some search for kin, others just want to get out of the way of the armies. They all need food, drink, and a night's rest in warmth.
So, war's been good for your trade?
Aye, so far. But it'd be best to know peace again. Times like these, you never know what tomorrow will bring.
Das ist so. Also,
Thanks for everything.
wieder so. Ja, aber ich glaube, ich muss langsam pennen. Schauen wir noch schnell, ob wir einen schönen Abschluss findet. Ein bisschen Action oder etwas.
Help you
Aber
bandage
ich
that
glaube,
up?
das wäre nicht allzu viel.
Please. I'm not decrepit yet.
Then I'll ask about Yennefer.
Just remember, we'd rather not draw any attention.
Gut.
Here, Black One's been out measuring the fields.
Fragen wir den Peasant.
Drommel, you're dumber than a headless cockerel.
Ich glaube, ich gehe mal zu den schlauen, zu den coolen Typen da. Wo sind's?
Once more, there are 4 factions.
Wo sind sie weg?
Suits, similar to clubs and spades.
Sind weg.
Each suit has its
Looking for a woman.
Like everyone.
Not like everyone. And not just any woman. Mine smells of lilac and gooseberries, dresses in black and white.
2 schnapsies. It'll lift your spirits.
Aha. Ja, easy.
Fine, I'll have a drink. Can we cut to the chase? You seen her or not?
Yennefer of Vengerberg.
Oh. Bingo.
Never mentioned her name.
Yet you described her perfectly. And once I hear something, I never forget. Can't help it.
How do you know Yennefer?
What a question. Master Dandelion's ballads, of course. The only way a humble merchant might hope to rub up against greatness. Unless, that is, he's as lucky as I am.
And runs into a very patient witcher.
Into Geralt of Rivia himself. The Butcher of Blaviken.
Well, I don't care. Aber wer ist er?
What do you do? Who are you?
A mangy vagrant. Gaunter Odin, at your service.
Vagrant?
Wanderer.
Is that a profession now?
Zigeuner.
Once a
Was ist
merchant
es?
of mirrors. The madding crowd dubbed me Master Mirror, or the Man of Glass.
Okay, von mir aus.
You seen Yennefer?
Deepest apologies, but I must ask. Is this about love?
Ja, sicher, logisch.
Guessed it. It's love.
I knew it at once.
What do you know? Tell me.
Before you appeared, it never occurred to me that might have been Yennefer. Who would have thought?
Get to the point.
An Nilfgaardian scout from the local garrison saw her.
Where?
At their camp. She rode in there. Dark of night. Black and white. Gooseberries and... Yes, I know. Had a terse exchange with the garrison commander and raced off.
Where to?
I'm not omniscient. Ask at the garrison.
Gut. We hebben een lied waar we aan kunnen
Thanks.
over.
We men of the road must stick together. Perhaps one day I'll be in trouble and you'll be nearby to help.
Ja, wieso nicht? Also, machen wir doch fertig für den Moment. Wir haben die erste Lied, um die Yennefer zu finden. Und wenn wir schnell den Messi da hin. Wie heißt er? Geschafft. So. Dann wissen wir, genau. Wissen wir, wenn wir noch verarzten und dann let's go, würde ich sagen. Ja, ich würde sagen, wir fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!